I'm using FreeCAD 0.18 development. It's a version that I've downloaded today, so it should have all the latest fixes. Okay, here we go. This is a STL file. I need to simplify it. Oops. Part. Alright, so this is my simplified STL file. It's now workable in FreeCAD. So I can go and change to the path. Start a new tool. Alright, so the output is going to be tools. I'm going to add a 1/8 drill bit and that should be slow enough for anything. And okay, so far the memory is, you know, adequate for this type of application. So I need to start an operation now, do a job. What I want to do is I want to profile all the edges before I clear pocket all the insides. This is a carving. So I need to do this. Use the default tool and process holes. I use base geometry. So now I have the F. Then I select. See, right now it's not responding. Okay, so the R, it's running, not responding. The E, the memory is climbing all the time. Now it's not responding. And the other E, not responding. And the C, so the memory's climbing all the time. And it's becoming increasingly slow, even slower and slower. So right, so right now it's still usable. So I add all the faces. That's what I want to do. The depths and operations should be okay. Mill on the inside, because I want to mill on the inside, process holes. Use that bit and apply. So it should be able to do it. And that's So all the path is okay. It took a nominal amount of time. So this is still workable. However, the memory has increased to 650 megabytes, and it didn't relent. Let's do another operation, which is the pocketing, because I want a pocket inside. So everything's okay here, but I need to select my geometry again. Oh, right now it's selected. See, I could just add all the geometry. Let's say it is not selected. See, it's idling again, and the memory's still climbing. It's becoming very slow now. Now every time I select a new, I make a new selection, it just increases the memory. It never relents. It never lets go of the memory. So it's becoming very slow and hogging all the memory and not relinquishing it, even though I'm deselecting the faces. So as you can see, it's just a few simple operations can become very difficult. And let's say I want to add the faces now. Let's say I want to clear this one. It's a large face. I can't add it because it's not responding. My memory's increasing to 1.5 gigabyte, but I'm not really selecting anything new. Okay, let's say I don't want to do this operation anymore, so when I get control of my computer back, I just cancel the operation. Let's see what happens. It should clear the memory and become workable again. Right now the memory is just climbing and climbing, and there's no end in sight. Probably after 5 minutes it's going to be able to let go. I don't know. There we go. So let's apply that and see what happens. Now this is my surface, so it's not, yeah. So it should really add this. This and this. For some reason it's fast now, although the memory is still at 2 gig. Nope, missed one. Alright, so let's do another operation, which is cutting the whole thing in the back, and so it's a profile, right? So the memory is increasing to whoever guesses first, probably 2.5 gigabyte. Oh, I'm getting control. Base geometry, add and operation, process hold. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm going to save the file. Right, and I'm going to close the file. Right, so the file is closed now, but the memory is still hogged. It should clear it. Open the doc. So I'm closing FreeCAD, reopening FreeCAD. So all my operations is still here, but my memory is down to 160 megabyte or 145 megabyte. So thanks for watching.